video with me. What's up, guys? So remember that steering wheel that we put together last night? Guys, welcome back to another video. Oh shit. Anyways, so today we're going to be installing a steering wheel and the quick release on the 40. You ran over the freaking wood. And so I got the I got the hub right here, and then I got a quick release right here. So what you want to do is, there's a button here. Press it, and then it should click. So there, click, and then the quick release will come out. And then now what you want to do is connect these two wires and these two wires together. Hold up. Okay. Man, I can't really do this in air. Okay, so I'm just connecting the wires. Ah! Okay, once the wires are connected, you want to wiggle them in. Make sure no wire is like stuck in between there. Okay, this should be good. We're going to put screws into these holes. Okay. Oh, freak. But in this case, I only have 5 of these. I only have 5, and there's fucking 6 holes. So I'm gonna make do with what I got. Go in, sucker. Go in, sucker. And then in the actual box, it came with this tool. So dude, you can't even see what I'm doing. But anyways, you see that screw? Oh, there! You see it? Oh, this one's a tough one. Take this one out. So I did the screws in a triangle because I only have 5. Oh, there you go. Sorry, I keep pressing on the camera. It's because the screen keeps going to sleep. Okay, 4th screw in. The last one. Let us put her here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this bottom part and put it here. Okay. Oh shoot. I'm not even holding the one I was doing. Okay. All screws are put except this one, because there's not a, just pretend that there's a screw in there, okay? Just pretend. Now I'm gonna go with this tool around all 5 screws one more time just to tighten them. Ooh, they're tight. Ooh. Okay, now quick release hub. Now you just want to put them together. This is the tricky part because I have to hook it like this. There you go. Okay, wait. It's not wrong. God damn. supposed to like twist it, but only one side. What? The other side's not. So it's a twist motion. You're supposed to put this here and then twist it, but see, and then this whole thing will come out. But I'm doing, so that's my dilemma. Okay, quick release in, locked. So there you go. There she is. Now we just put the steering wheel. Bam. BRB. Let me get the steering wheel. Is back. Steering wheel. Ba-bam. You see the picture? You see the picture? It's coming together. So now I just put the screws in their proper holes. You can't miss a hole, dude. There's a lot of holes here, so. Okay. Match it this way. I'm gonna match it this way, even though no one's gonna see this name right here, NRG. Oh yeah, oh shoot, I almost dropped it. NRG, NRG. Hub and quick release, and then I got a sparkle steering wheel. Oh my god. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll try. You know what, here's the deal. How's about I put one screw in and then I'll show you guys the rest. Try to line this up at the top. Okay. Screw in. Where's that tool? There. Alright. Bam. See? Can't really see it. It's up there. Now I'm gonna put the rest of the screws. Make sure you don't what you call this? Block the horn button. Oh, here you go. I can rest it on my shoulder whilst I put these. Okay, moving on. Screws are in their place. Tighten them a little bit. Try and tighten. Okay. And then again, I'm gonna go in again with the other side. This part, the shorter part, and then just re-tighten them, make sure they don't come out. Oh, like that. That didn't work.
Hey, babe. How's that?
Yeah, it's good. Are you done already?
No.
So Stefan's actually polishing my friend's car. Okay. Bam, that's tightened. In the packaging, it also came with these gaskets, but no need. Finished product. So now I can attach it to my car and just kidding. Drive fast, but drive safe. So now I'm gonna get rid of these boxes, dispose of it. Oh, and by the way, Stefan's polishing my friend's car because I posted on my Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram. I posted on my Instagram that I was buffing out the overspray in my car, and then my friend, she DM'd me and she was like, "Can you do that to my car?" And so here we are now. Oh, hey, welcome back. We are attaching her to the car today. I kind of already removed the stock steering wheel, but to do so it was like this, right? In the bottom, there's a screw here, and you unscrew that. Okay, and then you pop off the top part. You do a little bit shaky depending on how old your car is. I did a lot of shaking to get that top off. And then there should be screws here on these holes. Unscrew them, and then this whole thing should pop off. Wiggle it out. Oh wait, no, not yet. After that, there's gonna be like a middle nut here that you need to take out, which is this one right here. This right here, you need to take this out. And then once you do all of that, just wiggle your steering wheel out, take out this plate too, and then get your hub and put it on, and then put that screw, that middle screw back. But I kind of made a mistake because you know how last night we already assembled steering wheel? I ended up taking it off the quick release so I could screw the hub. And then now, do the same thing, put the quick release back, and then once we do that, attach the new steering wheel. Well. As you can see, it's on now. Just twist it, but the steering wheel is not basic, so I guess I'm gonna have to unscrew these again, face it the right way. You need to think that I should have just assembled the steering wheel in here as of setting it all up and then attaching it one time. I'm gonna unscrew these screws, flip the steering wheel so it's facing me. Good now. Good. I don't have a horn button. I don't like. So yeah, we're gonna keep it with no horn until I get tired of it and I need a horn, and then I'll put a horn. But for now, no horn. So no beep beep beep. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, before you even decide to take out the stock steering wheel, make sure you unplug your battery because you might hit the airbags and the airbags are gonna explode on your face. I'm gonna show you. Plus and minus, remove the plus. There's a nut, there's a bolt right here, you unscrew it. Yeah. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you made it this far into this video, give this video a thumbs up because you're awesome. Follow me on my social media. Everything's gonna be linked in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of me and my 40. Until then, my name is Maria and I'm signing out.